Hey everybody, it's me, Lady T, coming to you with a video on how I created this wall art. First, you're going to start with two Dollar Tree long signs, you know, like what they have out for Easter and Christmas and, you know, for the holidays. So you want to start off with two of those. And what you see here is I have glued two of them together and I am painting them with black chalk paint. Well, you see me gluing them together here, but I had taped them together previously and that was not working, so I had to go back and glue them. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that part. And then on the back, to keep them together, I glued some popsicle sticks on there with some hot glue. As you can see now, the board is white is because I couldn't deal with the black and the lettering was not going to go with the black. So that's what I did. I changed it. And now you see me putting on these stickers that I got from a discount store. It's like a Dollar Tree Plus store, you know, dollar and more store. And that's where I got these stickers from. And I've had these over a year and I've never used them. I'm glad they were here for me to use. So as you can see, I'm putting on those and I wound up putting 3 rows on the side. And I believe I did 2 rows at the bottom and top. But you can use whatever you want. You don't have to use that at all. You can use whatever you choose to use to decorate your sign. But as you can see in the middle, I put a sticker on there that says, "Let go and let God." I did get that from the dollar store. And they are the Dollar Tree wall stickers. So I did get that from Dollar Tree. And I'm just using that as a reminder to myself that sometimes you go through things, but you have to let it go and let God take care of it. So that's why I made this sign as a reminder to myself. But I wanted to show you all too, so that if you're going through that, you know, you could use these inspirational signs to encourage yourself. And if somebody comes to your house or, you know, whatever, they can see it and be encouraged as well. So here I'm putting the finishing pieces at the bottom, and I have to go back to the top and finish the sticker application. I think they're really nice, the black and silver. They really do a nice job. So now I'm taking the rest of the stickers that was on that wall sticker decor, and I'm putting them on the opposite way of what people would usually put them on, because I like it better that way. So, you know, for $1.25, these stickers are pretty good. I don't know if you guys have ever seen me do a sticker project, but I decided to try to do something different. And that's the rest of, I got those flowers actually from another project. Well, another wall decor. Here you see me using faux leather. This is my faux leather I got from Amazon, and I'm using it to put a little strip so I can hang this up on the wall. Since it's black, I didn't know what else to use. And now I'm using these Dollar Tree icicle lights to put on the plaque. As you can see, it says, "Let go and let God." Look how it looks at night or in the dark. Anyway, I like it. I hope you love it. Well, leave your comments below. Lady T signing out.